everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I've officially started my weight gain journey again. So last year I started it in September. It lasted about to like the end of October. I wasn't really that consistent last year, and I wasn't in the best space to, like, I wasn't really motivated, and I really didn't have like that ambition, or like I just didn't have it. So we're starting over again, and we have 2 months left of 2025. So I just decided to completely lock in. So I'm not the type of person that likes to eat the same stuff over and over. I know that some people like to meal prep for 7 days. As a beginner, and trying to learn discipline, I just only did my meals for 3 days. Now, I didn't include my breakfast in here because I'm going to wake up every day and cook that completely fresh. I'm going to do the bacon, egg, and cheese avocado toast with breakfast potatoes. So the only thing I filmed was my fruit cups, boiled eggs, the salad for lunch, my dinner, which is roasted pasta. I think I'm forgetting something, and the yogurt parfaits. Yeah, so just something to start off my journey with. And then I also have some supplements as well that I take, which is Force Factor Creatine Gummies. I have 2 cans of those, which is 150 gummies each. And then I have some BearVana supplements as well, and some protein shakes. And then I also have high protein meals. So I should be seeing some type of gain by January, February, I should say. Also, I am starting back working out, so I will be recording my workout sessions as well. I feel like this time around, I know that I'm going to be consistent. I have the tools, I have everything that I need to be successful, so I just have to put them into use. So I started off with my meal preps, and then also I started to do my workout at home as well. And then some days, me and my cousin, we will go to the gym together. But my main goal is to focus on, like, when I exercise and work out, I only work out on my bottom, which is my glutes. I only focus on my glutes and my legs. I don't know why that was just so hard for me to just blurt out or just get straight to the point. But I really don't feel like editing this voiceover, guys. I did enough editing with the video itself and a lot of recording. I put a lot of effort into my content. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed that, but my quality means everything to me. My presentation means everything to me. That's with anything that I do. Like, I just feel like, watch something and put out content that people should watch. I'm not the type of person. I don't like to just put out any content because, like, I don't know. I have a certain type of specific look that I like to go for. Like, even with my thumbnails, I like my channel to look very clean and put together. And look, I done switched off topic, but yeah, I be so busy. Even though I'm a stay-at-home mom, I am always busy. There's never not a time I'm not doing anything, and that's why sometimes some days I do have rest days, or like I'll rest for like a couple of hours at the day, because sometimes it just get overwhelming because I'm in the TikTok shop affiliate programs. You guys be seeing me upload those samples a lot. I'm in the Temu affiliate program as well, which is I post those green screen videos, so 10 of those a month is $120, and the commission is, that's also a plus as well. But guaranteed pay from Temu is $120, like, for just posting videos. Like, you cannot beat that. And then I also run my beauty page, and then I have a cooking page. My YouTube is just everything in one. But we have reached the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Stay tuned for my next one.